Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a Simple Commissions Mailbot brief review. But I really want to talk about the system itself, proof that the system is working, and this is really about Mailbot lead proof. Because, if you're going to promote something, you want to make sure that number one, that it's working, and number two, that it does what it says it's going to do. So I thought this was pretty funny, and I encourage you to watch this brief video through to the end. If what I share with you makes sense, you get a little bit of value from it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and check out what Google AI had to say about Simple Commissions Mailbot, and it's pretty accurate. The Simple Commissions Mailbot is an AI-driven email system designed to automate lead nurturing, sales conversations, and commission payouts for users who promote it or other businesses. Remember that, or other businesses. Its function as an AI email assistant that helps build email lists and promote offers with the goal of generating income for its users. Users interact with the Mailbot by sending an email to a specific address, which then initiates a process that can result in instant $100 payouts. How it works. AI email assistant, the Mailbot acts as an automated email marketer. Second, list building. It works to build your email list for your business. Third, automated communication. It automates lead follow-ups and sales conversations. Next, promoting offers. The system promotes multiple business opportunities, including itself. Commission payouts. Users can earn instant $100 payouts by referring new members to the system. Now, let me just share with you these results, and then I'm going to talk a little bit more about Mailbot and why I prefer using it. So I don't know when it is that you are watching this video, but just look at something really quickly. Now, this new lead came in through Mailbot, and it is promoting my Save Club business opportunity. So with Simple Commissions and Mailbot, you have the ability to promote up to 3 different programs, and you could switch these programs out. So let's say you stop promoting a particular home business, you decide, hey, I want to add something else. You can do that just by going through the onboarding. But hey, Troy, good news, your lead, I blocked out any personal information. Just click to check out Save Club, and then it gives me the lead's email address. Again, I blocked out any personal information, and then it gives me a date and time. It's time stamped. Now, here, Mailbot was promoting my primary biz op, and because of Mailbot, this $100 commission came into my Cash App, right? You see the date here. This is all because of Mailbot. People being drawn to Mailbot promoting multiple different business opportunities for each member. This sale came in because of an introduction between an individual, Mailbot, that led to my primary business. And then here's another one. Right now, I also promote a digital business card known as Cardly, and this lead came into my Cardly. This came in yesterday. Good news, your lead, again, blocking out any personal information. Just click to check out cardly.me. Lead's email address blocked out. Timestamp. All right, now understand this, and I tell this to people every day. If you're using, let's just say as an example, if you're using social media to promote your programs and you're leading with your BizOp, from my own experiences, you're not going to get as much traffic, as many leads, and make as many sales for your offer. And the biggest reason why you'll never maximize your efforts doing that is because 9 out of 10 people that you and I are connected to on social media, what is it they all have in common? They all have a business. They all have a network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct selling opportunity. What do you think is the last thing that they are going to want when it comes to maybe seeing your post or receiving a message from you? The last thing that they're going to want is another business, correct? Why? Because they already have something. They're already trying to get traffic, leads, and make sales. So I say lead with a system that helps people significantly get results in what it is that they're already promoting. I hope that makes sense. Folks, I've said this 1,000 times over, and some people actually listen and they're doing very, very well online, and some people don't. But you've got to understand, people don't want to join your business. Most do not. Most do not. And the other thing that you have to contend with is big name influencers, right? I mean, you know, there's people that they drop a post, they joined a new deal, and they're $1 million or a $500,000 earner. That post gets them 100 likes, 200 comments, and a handful of signups, right? Just from one post in one day. If you don't have the power to do that, then you need to be a smart marketer and focus on tools and strategies to help people with what it is that they already have. I hope that makes sense. If you want to know how to earn unlimited $100 commissions and use Mailbot from Simple Commissions to not only promote itself, but to promote up to 3 different business opportunities for you, then you should absolutely test this out. I'm not going to go into the particulars. I already did already. Why do I prefer this over email marketing providers like Aweber and GetResponse? They're all unique in their own sense of marketing capabilities. Obviously, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, you know, these email providers have been around for a very long time. But none of these email providers have an affiliate referral offer that comes even anywhere close to what Simple Commissions offers. That's the first thing. And then the second thing, your monthly fees can get very, very expensive and are based on the list size of your subscribers. Think about that. You know, so if you're growing a relatively nice size email list, you don't have to worry about that. Every couple of months you got to pay a higher monthly fee. There are no monthly fees with Mailbot. And what you're going to want to do, if you're watching this video on YouTube, once this video is over, which will be seconds from now, go to the description underneath the video so that you can get access. You want to get your very own free demo, right, of how Mailbot works. So you're going to get a free demo once you go to the description, and then You're also going to want to watch this 3-minute video overview, just giving you a much better breakdown. Look, if you got some value from this video, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, it's Troy. I look forward to working with many of you. Check out the description. If you're getting this by email, you can go back to the email now, scroll to the bottom, click the link that'll bring you to this page so you can get your demo. Have a great day. Take care. Again, it's Troy.